My name's Frankie, and I just had experience with Michael Barnes and his web design. And this is actually the website that we just built. It's been a dream of my wife's, and he turned her business idea into a reality. And we already have like our first 50 or 100 people in the first day or two. So it's been really amazing, and none of that would have been possible without him. And the highest compliment I could give him is like I've been working online since 2007, so I've worked with like a lot of web designs and graphics people and technical people, and he's been like the best of the best after like hundreds, maybe even thousands of people that I've contracted projects here and there to, and just easy and fun to work with, and understood what we wanted. Like I actually originally hired another designer to build this, and it's kind of a little bit of a rather involved site because there's back-end programming. People have to be able to register themselves and add listings, so it's a little more complicated than your average website. And the first person I hired, they actually, I remember, it was kind of like if I asked them to fix something, they would break two other things, you know. So I always felt like I was going to have to settle, and they just never understood what I was trying to tell them, and it was kind of like just challenging, and they literally just made my life harder. And we started working with Michael to get this built. He's just so proactive and a strong communicator, and he gets you, and he like works at all the little issues proactively. And they were like, you know, we're building something custom that's never been built before, so there were lots of little tech challenges to overcome. And he, is able to explain that in simple English, and he's reachable, and he's fun, and he's nice, and just takes care of things. It's like it's really nice to know that you're like taken care of, and he wants what you want. And so now we actually have this, which is like my wife's dream. She's wanted to do this for a long time. Like I said, we already got our first 50, 100 people. We don't know where it's going, but we have it integrated with a map listing, and we got all kinds of bells and whistles that would not have been possible without Barnsley's help. So if you're thinking about getting a web design, then I can't think of anybody better. I can say that sincerely from the bottom of my heart. So I hope that's useful to you if you're thinking about doing something on the fence. Don't do what I did and hire somebody thinking like, oh, I'll get it cheaper, and then end up having like 50 problems and it not fixed and all the headaches, and you just realize they're not going to be able to build what you want. Just get it right, done right the first time. Like Barnsley's a get it done right the first time kind of guy. So I'm Frankie, and yes, this is the Beesbly.